Hi everyone! Today we're going to draw Judy Hopps from Zootopia. It's very easy and fun, so let's start drawing together.